Hey there everyone, Erron Spalsbury here at 3xLOGIC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set start and end range markers so that you can pull smaller pieces of video clips from a larger search result. And in this example here, I've gone ahead and pulled up an hour worth of video, but the only thing that I want to export out of here is not the entire hour. I only want to pull out the part where this car is pulling into the parking lot here. Rather than going back to the search window, putting in the start and the end time and just pulling up a search that way, which you could certainly do it that way, there is an easier way to do this inside of our software. So since I've gone ahead and got this part queued up, I've got the car entering the parking lot here. I'm going to come down here off to the right side of the screen. This little box here with kind of a bracket on it, you'll notice when you hover over it, it says Start Range. I'm going to go ahead and click that button. Now, when I do that, underneath the little slide bar down here, you're going to notice there is a little tiny triangle that will appear underneath the beginning of this video. That is, in fact, noting that that is our start range. Now, from here, we can do a couple of different things. You can come in here and hit play. You can fast forward. You can grab the scrub bar and drag it across. Whatever it is that you're looking to do, just go ahead and get the video to the end range that you're looking for. Now, since that car has gone ahead and driven down to the bottom of the screen here, I'll go ahead and hit pause. So this is now going to be my end range. So I'm going to come right back over here, right next to that start range button. You'll notice that the end range button is no longer grayed out. I'll go ahead and click that. And in fact, right here under the slide bar, that little triangle has actually separated itself now into two regions, and I've queued up just this small portion of video here. Now, I could continue along and set additional start range or end range markers in here if I wanted to, but in this case, this is all I want for this piece of footage. So I'm going to come back over here off to the right side. There's a little button that is labeled View. Go ahead and click that button. What this does is it just queues up just that few seconds worth of video here, which in fact, if I were to grab this and drag it back to the beginning here, you'll see this will take us back to our start area and of course hit play on this, so on and so forth. From here, now I can export just this few seconds worth of video. In fact, if I come over here and walk you through the export process, I can pull off still images, I could pull off an AVI video or an authenticated video, and we are covering some of these locations in a future video that you'll be able to find right here on our channel. But guys, just wanted to walk you through quickly how to set start range and end range markers so that you could pull off small video clips from a large search region. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you on the next one.